scholastic excellence and Semper Fi award should demonstrate citizenship and role models for younger students and their peers. These awards are designed to honor a deserving yet possibly unsung individual exhibiting the personal traits of courage, poise, self-confidence, and leadership. It is my pleasure to introduce Staff Sergeant, USMC Recruiting Station, Westchester, U.S. Marine Corps Officer Henry.
This time I'd like to call up Captain Rouse to officially present the Emergency Sergeant.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, no, this is too early in the morning. No, it's Friday. Good morning. On behalf of the United States Marine Corps, and at the request of Dr. Dunlap, I'm here as the program manager of the Naval ROTC Scholarship. Okay? I take care of all of Eastern Pennsylvania. What I'm here to present is an award, actually a scholarship, for those that apply, one out of about 19 recipients within the state of Pennsylvania. One of the students here was selected out of about 300 within the Northeastern United States for the scholarship. Basically, scholarship details academic excellence, shown by the GPA, SAT scores, and transcript. Physical fitness by Marine Corps standards with a physical fitness test, composed of pull-ups, crunches, and a 3-mile run. And this individual competes with the best, as well as community service. Whether it be a team captain in varsity athletics, intramural sports, class president, club organizations, and other community activities within and outside the school. So it takes great pleasure, especially for this individual. During his interview, I looked at him more of a Renaissance man. He has it all. Probably one of the best applicants I've seen in over my 4 years being a program manager. And it just takes me great pleasure to present this, as well as thank his family for raising just an impressive young lad, as well as Dr. Dunlap and the faculty and administration here at Westchester East for teaching him what he needs to know as far as fundamentals to be successful in life. But without further ado, I'd like to present a check in the amount of $180,000 to Mr. Joseph